Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're at the pump. Start now by confirming contactless support and opening Wallet on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Tap the card you want. You don't need to authenticate yet on Watch, but on iPhone use Face ID or passcode when prompted. Once selected, hold your device near the pump's contactless reader, about 1 to 3 inches, and wait for the subtle vibration or sound. This initial tap establishes the secure token with the pump, so make sure to keep the device steady until you see the check mark. Once you have the green check mark or confirmation sound, move to the pump display and choose your fuel grade. If the station requires prepay, either enter a dollar amount or select full tank if offered. This authorizes the hold on your card. Make sure the pump number you press matches the reader you used so the terminal links to your tokenized card. If prompted for ZIP or ID, note many pumps skip ZIP with Apple Pay since it uses tokenized authentication. Still, follow on-screen instructions to complete authorization. After authorization, remove the nozzle and begin fueling. The pump will show gallons and update the charge in real time. When finished, return the nozzle and confirm the final amount on the screen. Tap for a receipt or use the Wallet/Bank app to view the pending charge. If payment fails, try holding your device closer, toggle airplane mode off and on, or select a different card in Wallet. Reposition within 1 to 2 inches of the reader. If a hold remains unusually long, contact your bank for release instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.